Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Learning Hub World. I hope you have enjoyed my previous meeting on tips and tricks of using Google Meet and also setting up the Google Grid view into your Google Meet. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you the third part of my whole Google Meet experience. So, as teachers, where we have started actually teaching online, we are learning new things, and hence we need to make sure that we are giving the best digital experience to the students. So now to do that, we really need to know some tips and tricks. So today what I'm going to be discussing with you is that I will be talking to you about some Google Chrome extensions. That's right. These extensions are really easy, and they are very convenient and they are very user friendly, and in fact I would suggest that people should actually use these extensions, not only teachers but anyone who's conducting meetings on Google. It really makes the experience worthwhile. So as I told you, I will be discussing certain extensions for Google Chrome. The first extension that I'm going to talk about is Tab Resize. So this Tab Resize is something that I have added to my Google Chrome, and it is so there are many ways of splitting a screen. There are many extensions available, but this was one extension that I really found user friendly. And it's easy to learn, it's easy to understand, and it makes your life very easy. So this is my Tab Resize, which I have already added it to the Google Chrome. And if I click on it, what happens is that this has two options. The first option is that so there are four kinds of split screens available. However, as you are conducting a Google Meet, you would rather prefer two split screens, where one you can see the people on your meeting, and the other, whatever you're sharing, you can see that also. Now here the fun part is that there is this option called empty tab. So if you use this empty tab, alright, and so what happens is, so here you go. So I have these two, so the logic behind this Tab Resize is it will always pick up whatever is on the right. Okay, so if there is something on the right, it picks up that tab in your window. Now if you don't have anything on the right, you will see that if I click on this, it will just open up a new Google window, and so we don't want that. And so this is how this works. So now I have two different windows, and you can see that I will be discussing Jamboard with you as well. So let's get back. So let's get back to this. Now suppose if I do not want to use any kind of tab, any Google tab, I'll keep it empty. So the moment I keep it empty, whatever other document I have, that will go. You can decide what do you want to resize with it. So it's that user friendly, and it's that fun, and it is a great way of working things out. So for example, I have my Google Meet here. So if I rejoin my Google Meet, okay, and I'll just show you how it would work. So it makes life easy. So I'm joining now, okay, and for example, if I take this option and I keep this empty, and I maybe I will use this PowerPoint as my split screen. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll select this, and here you go. I can just resize it, and there you go. See, it's as simple as that. So Tab Resize is a great way of working with things. You will have your people on the left hand side, and you will have your PowerPoint presentations on the right, so it makes it really easy. Now the next extension that I am going to talk about after the split screen is that I am going to talk to you about Web Paint. That's right. So Web Paint is a very awesome extension from Chrome, and it actually kind of gives you the so I found this very user friendly as a teacher. It really helps you. What you can do is you can actually go to a website and enable this, and then you can start exploring. So for example, if you want to teach your children, and maybe you want to teach your children about let's say structure of a flower. Okay, so you go to this website. Okay, you maybe pick up some article or some literature on the website, something that you want to show the children. Okay, and maybe you want to highlight a few points here. So if I use this, so let me select this. So if I use this, there are many options available. Okay, so what I can do is I can use a pencil, and maybe if I want them to know the main parts of the flower, so I can just simply underline it. So it makes life easy. You can show it to them, or else you can actually, so I'll undo this, and if you want to highlight some aspect of your explanation, so let's say this is a very important article and you want them to have it, so you can do that. You can also take a screenshot of the current page, okay, and you can save it, okay, or you can these options that are available here actually let you do that. You can insert a text as well. So if I want to say, okay, so this is going to be the answer for structure of a flower, so they can take a screenshot of it, or you can take a screenshot of it, and you can actually download it or print it or crop it, whatever you want to do, and you can send it across to your students. So this is a really user-friendly app. In fact, if I just go back, all the actions on the website will be undone, and you will already have a template ready here for the students to refer to. You can download it or share it through Google Classroom, whatever you like. It's your choice, but it's really a fun way of actually showing some literature from the website without creating or making it difficult for yourself. The next one that I'm going to talk about is a very favorite app of mine, which is this is a fun thing. So Bitmoji, this is really cool, and as you can see, I have my own avatar, and at the start of my video also you saw my avatar welcoming you to the Hub World. So this is a really cool way of actually interacting with your children. In fact, I would suggest that all of you should have your own avatars, so it makes it really fun. You can actually copy those avatars, or you can just write down whether you're searching for something. For example, I will just write Learning Hub World, my channel's name, and you will get an avatar as your choice, and you can just pick anyone up. You can put it during your Google Meet when you're actually having a conversation, or maybe welcome them with this avatar as your during Google Meet. So this is really fun. Again, it's a Google Chrome extension, and so I'll just show you this Google Chrome extension. So this is really cool. This Google Chrome extension works superbly, and if you see, it is available online. All you need to do is just add it, and you need to log in with your email ID, and you will have your avatar ready. So it's a fun way. Students will enjoy it, and you're going to have great fun. Now the fourth and final extension that I'm going to talk about is Google Jamboard. Okay, now this Google Jamboard is a blessing. Trust me, my friends, this Google Chrome Jamboard is a real blessing for teachers, especially if you want to teach subjects like mathematics. It makes life really easy. So I'm actually online, and I'm actually showing you how you can go to the Chrome web store and add this to your Chrome. So you add it, and the application gets downloaded. So basically what happens is that it becomes part of your applications. So if you go down into these dots, so you will have Jamboard here. Just like a Google Classroom or a Hangout or a Drive, Jamboard becomes a app, and you just click on it, and there you have your Jamboard, which is uploading, and you are through. So this Jamboard is real fun, trust me. When I was actually trying it, I was so fascinated with it that I kept on doing something or the other. So my background is black right now. I can change my background, whatever background I want. I can make it to plain white. I can have a rules background. If you want to teach something, you have this background, or a square background if you want to teach some graphical, whatever you like. If I have a clear background, so now here I have the option of pen. So I have a pen, a marker, a highlighter, a brush. All the colors are available. It is great. So if I have to use a marker, so I can actually start writing 2 plus 6, and that's equal to 8. So again, as I told you, for mathematics is real fun. I can change colors and just underline it, and if I want to erase it, I can simply go over it and erase it. Now if you want to clear your whole frame, just click on clear frame and everything goes off. This is for selection. Now this is a very interesting tab. It's the sticky note tab. So what happens is, you can have the sticky note tab, which makes it really easy for you to work on your system, and it will make life very easy. Okay, so let me show you once again. This is a sticky note tab. So here you go. I will just type biology, and I can change colors. I can write some other kind of appointment, 9 a.m. and I save it, and I will have the sticky note ready. Okay, now this is again fun. So if you for example want to teach something, so I'm going to go for structure of a flower. So I just click on it, okay, and I will get Google Images. I'll just select, and this image will appear here. Very easily, very conveniently, you will have this image which will come up here. And what you got to do is maybe use this, this is a highlighter basically. So it's a laser where you can show each part. You can highlight, you can actually point out and show whatever you're trying to say. So this pointer moves around and it makes life very easy. So these are some small tricks which a teacher can use. I'm just going to clear the frame. So these are the small tricks that the teachers can use. This is really fun. You can actually enjoy these extensions, and as a teacher it is really cool. You can actually look very cool. You can actually do magic on the screen live with the students. So friends, I hope you liked my video. I hope these Chrome extensions were useful for you. Today I could do just 4 with you, but if you want any more Google Chrome extensions that you want me to explore, please let me know in my comment section. And please subscribe to my channel. Please share, like, press the bell icon and comment great things, and I will be looking forward to that. And thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.